Manage asset maintenance activities and transfer equipment between locations. Asset lifecycle management begins in the asset module. This is the hub for equipment health and tracking. Maintenance records scheduled upkeep to prevent equipment failure and extend the functional life of company resources. Selecting the location establishes the specific organizational branch responsible for performing the necessary service activity. The asset field identifies the specific unit requiring technical attention, repairs, or routine regulatory inspections. Activity type categorizes the work to help managers track maintenance trends and service patterns across departments. Vendor selection links tasks to external service providers, ensuring accountability and streamlined procurement for parts. Start and completion dates define the operational downtime window. This prevents scheduling conflicts during active production. Payment status and remarks provide financial transparency. They capture critical technical notes for important future reference. Saving the record updates the asset status. All stakeholders remain aware of the current maintenance states. The maintenance summary centralizes activity codes and costs. This data facilitates comprehensive and accurate internal audit trails. Asset transfer manages equipment movement between company sites. This ensures resources are always available exactly where needed. Identifying the asset for transfer initiates the formal change in physical custody within the digital inventory. Current and destination locations document movement paths. Accurate logs support logistical efficiency and tax compliance. Assigning a status ensures every transfer is monitored. Tracking continues from the initial request until site receipt. Successful submission updates the global asset registry. This maintains real-time visibility of equipment across all locations. Detailed transfer logs preserve the chain of custody. These digital records are essential for accurate financial reporting. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.